Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Soundpeats True Wireless Earbuds. So I was looking for something affordable, something that I can use, and some Bluetooth earbuds. I found these on Amazon. They have a great rating, and I was like, okay, why not? Let's test them. So we're gonna take a quick look around the box. So Comfort Fit Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and it has a 380 mAh batteries, so I guess they hold some decent charge. Around here, true wireless, high fidelity sound, clear voice call, long lasting playtime. Let's dig right in. I'm gonna open the box with my knife here. Yep, listen to this. Very satisfying sound. Now, these will not replace your classic Apple AirPods, by no means, but hey, it's very simple, straightforward. You get your little wireless earbuds, ear cups, so it fits in your ears, charging cable, some kind of quick start guide, some documentation, and that's all. So let's remove all this from here and let's take a look at the main guy here. Okay, so they feel very plasticky feeling, very standard quality. You would not expect anything from these. This is the charging port, some information in here, right? But nothing special. Just pull them out of the box, and I guess there's some kind of a magnet, because as soon as you put him around the slot, they slide right in. So here we are. Very straightforward, very simple. I took the earbuds out of the box and then I tried to pair them for the first time. Let me tell you, the pairing process was very easy, and I am impressed with that. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see now, is a red light on both earbuds, and then red means that they are charging off of the case. So what you need to do at first when you purchase these is that you need to remove them from the box, and then you have the main one, which is this left one. The main one starts to blink white and red. Then you just open up your phone. So let's bring my phone here. Look at this old phone. Bring up your phone, you go into settings and search for Soundpeats True Free Earbuds. They get paired. You put them right away into your ears and you play the sounds you want to play. We are going to try to connect them right now to see how easy it is. So I'm going to activate Bluetooth. I'm going to pull them out like this. They are connected, so they give it that quick blink in white, and then they are connected straight away to the last device they were connected to. It's that easy. I had a video here. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna put it towards my mic so you can hear it. So the sound right now is coming right off the earbuds. They are very loud. You have to pay attention at first because they come out very loud. Reduce the volume before you put them in your ears. This is the only issue I had with it. We have clickable buttons on both. So if we click a button here, there's a nice click and then the video pauses. Let's click it again, and the video resumes playing. So these allow you to pause, play, skip a track, or even answer phone calls. I will be testing them out. I will come back and tell you what I think about them. To be honest, these are my first wireless earphones. So if you notice there, as soon as I put them in the case, they disconnect from the phone. So I was saying that these are my first wireless earbuds. I am pretty satisfied. So I am going to test them even more and see. I will make a full review later on. So thank you a lot for watching. If you like this video, press the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you want to pick them up, they're around $15 to $20 on Amazon. I put a link in the description for you to grab them. See you guys later.